Hey, it's Xavier and got a unique one here. This one is a Arabian Grey MANUFAKTUR and with the off-road package. So this is a 2025 G-Wagon G63. And again, this one is equipped with the AMG Offroad Package. You can see it at the top as well. I'm going to head to the back of the vehicle. Pretty unique build here. And again, this one's part of the AMG Offroad Package Pro. And it has a 20-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. And here you can check out the top. You have the professional roof luggage rack. It's built specifically for the G-Class to support extreme adventures and overlanding. Along with that, you have upgraded underbody protection, the off-road specific screen displays, 3 different off-road drive modes, the AMG active ride control. Pretty unique build. This one will stand out of all the G63s that are out there. Here, I want to show you how the tire is actually set up, which is different. I'm going to show you what a normal G-Wagon is. And then this one's really made to demonstrate just the off-road look and capability of this specific G-Wagon and this AMG Offroad Package Pro. Inside, you have the titanium MANUFAKTUR Grey Pro. And this one does have the interior package plus, which you can see the carbon fiber trim. But really what it does, it adds the diamond stitching on the seats, on the door panels. Over on the top as well, you have the Alcantara roof that provides just a luxurious look. But this is a very unique build. I do have it available. And with the 2025 models, you do have the touchscreen and the voice command. This one does have the carbon fiber trim. So if you would like additional details on this specific one, check out my video description. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching.